A shortfall happens when you end up with less money or resources than you originally planned for or need to cover your expenses. At its simplest, it is a gap between what you have and what you actually require. When your income falls short of your bills, or your savings fall short of a goal, that missing amount is the shortfall. Shortfalls often stem from unexpected life events or simply miscalculating how much a future goal will cost to reach. While people often use the word deficit, a shortfall usually refers to a specific, one-time gap in personal finance or project planning. This chart shows a common scenario where you reach your deadline, but find your actual savings are lower than your target goal. Seeing a shortfall is actually helpful because it gives you the data needed to pivot your strategy before the gap gets any wider. Thanks for watching. Understanding your shortfalls is the first step toward better planning. Educational content, not financial advice.